Hello everyone, Mike Turner with ADJ, here with another brand new product from LDI 2023. I'd like to introduce to you the Jolt Panel FXIP. That's right guys, it's IP65 rated just like you asked. We have a couple extra bells and whistles for you though. The white light strobe section is going to remain the same with 5 watts per cell, but the RGBs have been upgraded from the half watt in the previous model to 1.5 watts now, so you're going to get considerably more output when you're using the RGB cells. In addition, it comes with this diffusion that you can add or use however you want, just to give you more options when you're doing your eye candy. And by the way, I have to turn this down to about 5% just to do this video. It is incredibly bright. So again guys, this is the Jolt Panel FXIP, and this is Mike Turner at LDI 2023.